Got it. Uh-oh, what do we do? Yeah, you want help? Okay, ready? Here we go. Oh boy, it's gonna go fast. Careful. Oh, no trouble, huh? Gonna slide it. Yay! Wow! Somebody's getting the hang of this. You want to go? I know you're stuck. Come here. We'll turn it around. Now we slide, slide, slide. Okay, ready? Go. Careful. There you go. Now what are you going to do? You going to be able to reach for it? Wow, good girl. Can't believe it. You're doing good. Wow, yay! And we did this a couple of times. Do you know how to undo it? I'm stuck. Okay. I'm stuck.